Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
In the upcoming videos, we're going to learn Chinese characters related to direction and position. Today, we'll start with this character. Its pronunciation is shàng. It means up or above. Besides showing the upper direction, it can also describe an upward movement, like going from a lower place to a higher one. It can also refer to a higher level, rank, or quality. The character shàng appears in many words, each with a slightly different meaning. For example, 楼上 means upstairs. 上面 means on top of something. Here, the character shàng indicates a position above something. 上山 means to climb up the mountain. 上车 means to get on a vehicle. In these words, shàng represents an action of moving upward from a lower place to a higher one. 上等 means high quality or superior class. 上策 means the best or most constructive plan or strategy. Here, the character shàng describes a higher level or excellent quality. Don't rush to leave. Next, we're going to learn about the origin of this character. In the earliest oracle bone script, ancient people drew two horizontal lines to represent earth and sky, using this symbol to express the concept of above. Over time, it evolved into a form with one vertical line and one horizontal line, and eventually became the modern character we see today. Let's practice reading this character together. 上 上 shàng. The character shàng is a single component character made up of 3 strokes, one vertical line, one short horizontal line, and one long horizontal line. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's write it stroke by stroke. First, write a long vertical stroke in the center of the writing grid. Then, draw a short horizontal line on the right side of the vertical line. Make sure it starts from the middle part of the vertical stroke. Finally, draw a long horizontal line at the bottom. Make sure the vertical line sits right in its center. There you go. Now you can write a perfect shàng. Keep these key points in mind, and make sure yours doesn't look like any of these. Shàng is a very common character in Chinese. It has many meanings in different contexts. For example, 上学 means to go to school. 上班 means to go to work. 上街 means to go shopping or walk in the street. Other examples include 桌上 means on the table. 门上 means on the door. 手上 means on the hand. Can you spot the pattern here? Yes. When the character shàng appears at the beginning of a word, it usually means to go up or to move upward. When it appears at the end of a word, it usually indicates a position. Did you get it? If you enjoy my explanation, please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me and keeps me motivated. In this channel, I'll make learning Chinese characters more fun by adding some interesting stories and examples. So join us, take it step by step, and you'll master more Chinese characters one by one.